Hello everyone and welcome again. We have been discussing about noun. So we have studied what are the types of noun and what are the rules to make a singular noun as plural, means noun number. We have completed the noun number earlier in the previous class. So today we have to discuss two type of noun: countable noun and uncountable noun. You might have learned earlier that there are two types of noun in a sense, and they are countable and uncountable. So why they are important to know? Why these nouns in that concept that they are, whether they are countable or uncountable, they are important to know. Because if we know which noun is countable and which noun is not countable, means uncountable, we will be master of using nouns. So there are some other words like quantitative adjectives or numbers. So we will be able to use with the numbers these words, means these nouns, if they are countable or uncountable. So we will be able to use these words like any and some, many, a few, a little. So using these words, these determiners, or you can say quantifiers, we have to know, we have to have the knowledge of countable and uncountable. So let's go through the concept. If any noun is easy to count, if any noun is easy to count, means the noun which you can count is called countable noun. Means the noun you can count. Suppose we have a few chalks or some chalks. So we can say one chalk, or we can say two chalks, or we can say three chalks. So we can count them 1, 2, 3 like this, or we can say there are some chalks, or we can say there are a few chalks. So using these words, some, a few, many, to understand how to use them correctly, we have to know whether the noun is countable or uncountable. So if a noun is easy to count, if there are a few nouns, if there are some nouns, there are some words which are name, and you can count them. You can count them by number 1, 2, 3, or you can say some. There are a few amount of something and you can count them. So these are called countable nouns. So like apple is countable noun. So you can make it apples. Apples. So you can use a word here, an apple, and here some apple. Some apples. So means a countable noun can be used as singular and plural. So there are two things you have to notice about countable noun. How you can remember that what is countable noun? Countable noun can be count, easy to count. It is very easy to count, means you can count them by number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But uncountable noun, let's understand the meaning by the words. Uncountable, which is not able to be count, which is not able to be count, or you can say which is difficult to be count, जिसे गिना ना जा सके या जो गिनने में मुश्किल हो. So here an apple and some apples. So you can say a pen and many pens. You can say a book and a few books. So now come to the next part, that is uncountable noun. I am repeating again that uncountable noun is the noun which is hard, which is difficult to be count. जो मुश्किल है आप उसे काउंट करना आपके लिए मुश्किल हो रहा है. Otherwise there are some nouns which you cannot count, like water. Can you count water? No, you cannot count water. So you cannot say that a water. If you write a water, that is incorrect, means you cannot write a before water. So before uncountable noun you cannot use these words, a few, article, you cannot use article an, or number, like you can say 5 books or 5 tables here in countable noun, but you cannot write 5 oil. If you write 5 oil, that is not correct, that is incorrect. You can write some oil, you can write a little oil, or little oil, but you cannot write 5 because you cannot count oil. So the name, the noun which are not easy to count, they are called uncountable noun. I hope you have now understood what is countable and what is uncountable. If there is rice, so in general you can count them by 1 2 3 4 5, but it is very difficult to count rice. So rice is also uncountable. You can say tea, you cannot count them. So you can remember what is uncountable noun, that is hard to count. Uncountable nouns are the noun which are difficult to be counted. They are material nouns, and second, abstract noun. So the second way to remember what is uncountable noun is that you keep in your mind that there are two nouns, material and abstract. They cannot be counted. Material cannot be counted, means water cannot be counted, aluminium cannot be counted, iron cannot be counted, grass cannot be counted, soil cannot be counted, water, oil, like this. If anything is hard to count is called uncountable noun. So there are a lot of stars in the sky. You can generally count them by 1 2 3, but it is very difficult to count all the stars in the sky. it is very difficult to count all the stars in the sky, so it is difficult to count. So you can say that stars is uncountable. Here you can count them? No, it is not easy to count hairs. So hair is also uncountable noun. So which is uncountable, which is not easy to count, they are uncountable noun. So I hope now you have understood the concept of countable noun and uncountable noun. This video is going to be very short, and in next video we will start a pronoun or other thing related to nouns, that are noun gender. So we will complete noun gender in next video. Thanks for watching. That's all for today.